Hmm. Oh, that's a little disorganized. No. That should be good. Move this around just a tad bit. Alright, that's equal on both sides. Alright, everything seems to be running pretty well. My window is appearing pretty well too. Alright, nice. I don't hear anything, do I? Okay, that's fixed. I don't have that on there. Mic seems to be working well, so that is pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna talk for about like a half an hour, not too long today. Da, 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 da. No copyright soft piano. Okay. No copyright music. No copyright music. Oh shit. I don't want to do that. Let's turn that off now. Because I don't want that to echo. Let's turn this back on. Let's play some no copyright music right here. Let's do this. S, S, 2. Oh shit, I can't even freaking see what I'm typing in. Did I even type anything? There we go. Hold on, now I have to do some readjusting now because my pictures. Oh no, it still works good. Okay, nice. So let's talk about the next couple of days here. Actually, this sounds flat. I gotta change this. Much better. I gotta turn down the music myself so I can think. So I'm gonna talk about this whole entire week today because why not? I can do short live streams like this. So as we can see, we've got a big low pressure system here coming into the region, but most of the precipitation looks like it's going to be concentrated in like southern Vermont and New Hampshire for most of the night. As you can see, that the precipitation is like arcing this way. I can play the graphic here. We had a little bit of rain earlier, that because of the lifting of the cold front, and now that the cold front, not the cold front, warm front, now that the warm front came in here and it's now muggy with like dew points being really high. Now the precipitation will be concentrated up here. The next time we're going to have chances of rain and thunder is when this piece of energy comes over here, but that might not happen till pretty much by the time morning comes. So we're going to have several hours of dry weather overnight, and then the low pressure system moves offshore by tomorrow night, and then Tuesday should be mainly dry. 50% chance of showers, the greater chance is going to be out west. I'm going to show you that in a moment, but this is current weather right here. Got some severe weather over here. You can take a look at this at the moment. Ooh, do I see a tornado warning here? Wow. There's tornado warnings popping up right there. And then right here. Ah, I see. Well, that's just gonna make things a lot scarier tonight, but I'm pretty sure in the Northeast we don't get tornadoes, but this area here, did I say we don't get tornadoes? We do get tornadoes, but not very frequently, but this line here should be here after midnight toward the morning hours here. This is the most high definition. Everything is pretty much to the north here, so anywhere in southern Massachusetts looks like it's pretty much dry. It's just muggy out there. Let's take a look at what's gonna happen. Looking at the severe weather that's out here in Pennsylvania. Gonna move through in the morning hours, but it looks like it falls apart and be patchy showers and storms. But everything's concentrated up north, as you can see. Looks like by the time 10 o'clock in the morning, showers and embedded thunderstorms are possible. This model doesn't go past, it only does 18 hours. Is this model developed? It only goes to 21. Most of the action is pretty much up north until this piece of energy comes in here about, I say, 7 o'clock in the morning. Two downpours of thunderstorms, but most of the action is going to be concentrated around, I say, it's about 10, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Then that storm exits out of here by the evening time, and then the next low pressure system moves in on Tuesday and Wednesday, but it's gonna stall out and not even cause any harm to us for a while. This is the same storm here. Severe weather in Pennsylvania. There's the same time frame around, like I say, 5, 6 in the morning, showers and storms for the most part of Massachusetts. Sparking up again during the early afternoon, and then this storm is gone. And then this piece of energy ahead of the next low was supposed to come in. This is another warm front coming through in the back end of the other low pressure system, so we might get some light rain, showers, and thunderstorms on Tuesday morning, and before we're back to the humid, hot, unstable weather. It looks like it's mostly dry after morning showers and storms on Tuesday. It looks like this model doesn't go any further than 60 hours. So let's take a look at the European. The European is saying that this storm moves out late on Monday. As you can see there, cold front moves through, stops all the showers and storms because of northeasterly winds. In the morning hours on Tuesday, more rain ahead of a warm front on this next low pressure system out to the west. Most of the action is going to be concentrated in western Massachusetts here, as you can see. So most places in Massachusetts are going to be dry on Tuesday. On Wednesday, more action comes closer to central Massachusetts, as you can see here, but most of the action is going to be mainly in from New York and Pennsylvania. So I'm going to say 30 to 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly west on Tuesday after the warm front moves through with some showers and storms Tuesday morning. Then Wednesday, 50 to 70% chance of showers or thunderstorms throughout the day and evening. From this low pressure system moves out. Then we get to Thursday. Thursday, I think it's going to be the most driest day of the week here, in between these two low pressure systems here. But I'm still going to say 20% chance of a shower. Then looks like Thursday night into Friday looks dry. Can't rule out a passing shower or thunderstorm because it's going to be pretty humid and hot. Then this cold front moves through here on Saturday. Probably another day of severe weather. And then that moves through on Sunday. Look at that big huge front down there. It goes all the way up here, all the way down there. And I believe this is high pressure, so this should mean that we're going to finally get dried out. According to the European, we're going to have an active week this week. By the time we get to Sunday, which is another the new week, looks like we may start drying out. But just for fun, why don't we look at the GFS and see what it has to say? Why this jazz music is really good, mind you. I'm enjoying this jazz music tonight. So let's take a look at the GFS to see what the GFS has to say here. GFS is saying the same thing. This low pressure system moves out on Monday. This next low pressure system moves in on Tuesday, giving us some showers in the morning, as you can see with the warm front that's lifting out. The warm front lifted, mainly dry with isolated showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, because we are going to be we're going to have easterly winds that's going to cause there to be a little bit more stable air. So mainly dry Tuesday after the warm front moves in, getting a few showers and storms, as you can see. Getting into Wednesday, this action gets a bit closer. But mainly most of the action is out west to north, so Massachusetts stays mainly dry. But as you get into Wednesday night into Thursday, this front moves through, so we're going to be wet Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday should be mainly dry in between these two low pressure systems. As you can see, in between the two low pressure systems, so we've got dry weather for Thursday. Then this low pressure system moves in, but it's going to take till Friday for it to really do anything. So it looks like most of Thursday and most of Friday looks dry until this front slowly moves through. But the GFS is saying nothing's going to happen until Sunday, as well as the European. That's pretty interesting. So it's not going to be a half bad week, though. Then the GFS is also saying that, it takes longer for that low pressure system to move out. The European has it gone on Monday. By this thing saying it's supposed to linger. Oh yeah, it's supposed to linger. Well, this says, GFS says it's supposed to be more unstable than the Euro. The Euro says it's supposed to start being beautiful by the end of next week. So that's, like a little weekend review here. Things can change, but it's not too bad. As you can see right here, I can reload this just to make sure it, makes sense here. This is just a general center point of Massachusetts right now. It could vary by wherever you are in Massachusetts. Rain on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are both pretty much. This is 30%, this is 50%. So these days are not a washout. Thursday and Friday are going to be pretty nice days as that low pressure system takes forever to move in. But by Saturday, Sunday, we're going to have showers and storms from that low pressure system that's going to push through. And I think by Monday, Tuesday, we finally get into some drier weather. But it looks like the temperature's staying consistent. 80s for a high, lows around the mid of 60s. Not too bad of a week. I thought it was going to be worse than it looks like from what I just saw. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little weekend review. I can update it as it gets closer there. So I will catch you later since I know no one's watching this right now, but I'm doing it for fun anyway. The average watch time is because of me watching my own video. I'm pretty sure it is. This is I want to actually hear how the audio is sounding, the music is sounding. I'm gonna turn off my desktop audio now. Good. It looks like the music sounds pretty good, and my voice is louder than the music. That looks good, so everything's working well. Getting more comfortable with this right now. Just need to know what buttons are pressing and stuff like that, and how it's not to cause annoying echoes. So so I'm glad this is working very well, and whoa, that was a little weird. What the hell just happened there? I'm glad this is working well here, and I have a lot more ideas down the line that I can do. So this is just step one of it, really. What are we under a flood watch? Yeah, we are. Severe storms here, probably gusts up to 56 miles per hour on this banding here. Yeah, all the rain is centered up to where the warm front is pushing up because there's no action anywhere down here. It's all over here. If I zoom out, zoom in closer to the northeast here. This is just composed radar right now. As you can see, this is exactly what's happening right now. All the precipitation, most of the constant precipitation is going to stay up north. And by the time this energy comes here, by the morning hours, between 9-10 o'clock, we're going to have showers and storms, and then a few moving around during the evening, and then the storm is going to be gone. And then once this storm moves out, we have that other storm moving directly right in, bringing us the humidity and chances of showers and storms Tuesday morning. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are mainly dry with a 50% chance of showers the more west you go from that low pressure system taking ages to get here. Like this. This is the warm front, showers and storms. This one moves out. This low pressure system takes its time to get through here. It looks like it's out of here on Wednesday into Thursday. Thursday and Friday look mainly dry with 30 to 50% chance of showers. And by the time we get to Saturday, this main front moves through. And it's out of here by Sunday or Monday, depending on what model you look at. This one says it's going to be moving in Monday evening. This one has it Sunday evening. I can't even speak this late. That's definitely a huge difference right there. The Euro has the storm being gone by the evening, while this one's just coming in. Oh, this music is nice. Oh man, it's been a long day. Oh, this music is quite nice right here. Since there's no one on here, I'm just gonna black out the screen right now. Unless someone comes, I can stay for like a few more moments. My statistic says I have dropped 0 frames. So this is good resolution frame rate right now. My computer's barely even working right now. Oh, this is definitely peaceful music. Yeah, I'm so glad for it. I know it's late and I should have been doing this earlier, but, you know, worked to 7 and then I didn't really have time until 9 to do it. Da, da, da. Yeah, this is pretty good music. Nice and relaxing. I was trying to find some good music that is uncopyright to play in the background instead of hearing just talk. You know what I can actually look at right now, just to spruce it up just for a few more moments here? I know you can't see my screen, but I'm going to show you something here. Just to try to see if we can see any consistency here. No, this would be better if I did this, because it would be a bigger screen. Let's pop my screen back on. Let's use the Canadian model. Let's see what the Canadian has to say. Yeah, we know this is happening. The low pressure system moves offshore. And we're going to get rain Tuesday morning and afternoon as the warm front looks through. It looks like it's going to be mainly dry on Tuesday. Then on Tuesday night into... why am I saying Tuesday when we're on Wednesday? So Wednesday night into Thursday, that front moves through, making Thursday be a mainly dry day. Friday looks mainly dry. This looks like another warm front that moves through there. Saturday looks kind of mainly dry, but this front moves in Saturday night into Sunday, but it almost looks like the GFS and the Canadian are saying they're supposed to linger around and finally not move out of here until Wednesday. Well, that's more horrible. We don't want this to linger around. See, this main low pressure system moves in and then this one backs into us, so it really won't get dry until Wednesday? Oh, that's horrible. We'll see how it plays out. Let's go all the way until at least Friday and see what's gonna happen. All we know right now is that this storm moves out. This storm moves in, lingers until Thursday. Thursday is a nice day, and then we have this low pressure system that supposedly is supposed to come in during the weekend and somehow gets out of here by Sunday or whenever it does. I could easily write this in my Word document and remember what I saw the next day when I come back and look at it, but pretty much any time after 5 days I shouldn't even bother writing things down. I mean, 5 days out now is Friday, so I'm pretty sure I shouldn't look at anything past Friday, really, with a grain of salt. Okay, main webcam. I don't want no webcam right now. So, since this was supposed to be just a live little chat about the weather, I'm just gonna call it quits for right now. Have a good night or good morning, wherever you